Today I'm having a look at the Volkswagen Amarok. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Amarok there's Isofix in the two outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they are quite easy to connect to. Now there's top tether on the back of all three of the seat backs. However, bringing that seat back forward, it's all in one, so you have to pull the loops at either end, and it is quite difficult. I managed to install 3 big child seats in the back here, which is fantastic. And the seat base, it's 3 full seats rather than you get in some cars where it's 2 full seats and a hump in the middle one. So it's nice and spacious back here in order to get the 3 seats in. The only problem is reaching all of those top tethers back at the same time and getting them connected. It is really tricky, as in most utes. Legroom isn't too bad in here. We could get a 180cm passenger in front of a rear-facing child seat. Storage in the Amarok is compact, but it's quite practical. There's 2 cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable and disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in there too. There's a nice size well in the front of the gear lever here that's good for your phone, and the central console box is rather small. There is a glasses case in the ceiling, and the glove box is really small. I could only get my wallet in there with the manual. The door bins are a really nice size, and they're carpet lined so nothing rattles around, and I could get my large refillable water bottle in there and my iPad fitted in there too. In the back of the Amarok there are 2 cup holders in a fold down in the central footwell. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are map pockets in the back of both seats. They will hold and cover an iPad. And the door bins are nice and large in the back as well. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and they're carpet lined too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the tray of the Volkswagen Amarok. Empty, it will hold 30 shopping bags. Or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller fitted with 21 shopping bags, or the Britax Flex tandem stroller fitted with 22 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Urban Jungle single stroller fitted with 23 shopping bags, the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller fitted with 28 shopping bags, or you could fit a few large dogs. This is a really nice ute to drive, and it's the fastest on the market. The Volkswagen Amarok has Park Pilot, which, although it's really helpful and I know it's a great safety feature, it's really annoying. It continues beeping even when you're in drive. It will continue to have it and to beep. So even though the car has stopped and the engine's turned off, it's still beeping. The only way I can turn it off is with a button just here. That's bound to wake any sleeping baby. As for the rest of the media system, it is a small screen, but it's nice and clear. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and then it's nice and easy to navigate, and you can mute your sat-nav announcements as well easily at the bottom of the screen. So to sum up with the Amarok, that beeping parking pilot is really annoying, but you can get 3 child seats in the back, and I've loved it as a family car.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.